Hi, Leslie. It's foggy out. It's 7 in the morning here. How is oh, I feel like such a jerk. But what the hell? Hey, Leslie. Did you ever have to learn the poem The Wreck of the Hesperus by Longfellow? Oh, the hell was fuck Longfellow, man. So here we are. That's I'll tell you, I'm tongue-tied, Leslie. It's early in the morning, and I'm tongue-tied. Hey, Matthew, sending props out to you there, buddy. She's still nesting. She's still nesting. I was thinking of giving her a name, but my inclination is not to name her. There's nobody else up here. It's funny. I have privacy up here, which is very strange, being down here in the inner harbor. But Jackie, if we focus, if we go up to max resolution here, I think I can find you some pregnant teenagers. And it's a building center over there. Wait, I think, oh, no. I guess, see, there's the old artist's colony and the fishing boat. Yes. And that's Eastern Point out there. And I'll talk to you all later. Bye-bye.